Hey, Kane Wagner here, DENALI Electronics Ambassador. Just got a package from Twisted Throttle. Thought I'd share it with everybody. Got the DENALI Electronics Mini Soundbomb. It is twice as loud as your OEM package. We're going to set this thing up on the Tenere 700 and see what it sounds like. So before I get busy installing, I thought I'd show you what comes in that little tiny box over there. Got your mini bomb directions, pretty much plug and play, ready to roll. A couple brackets of bolts, and a lot of decibels in one little package. Side-by-side comparison. Yamaha Tenere 700 OEM horn. Compared to number 2, DENALI Electronics Soundbomb Mini.